In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping on Shopify with Printful. We're going to walk through the whole process together, from connecting Printful to your Shopify store to customizing your shipping rates and conditions. By the end, you'll have a solid shipping setup that works smoothly with your print-on-demand products. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and log in. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click on that search bar, and from the drop-down menu, choose Apps. In the Apps search field, type Printful. This will take you to the Shopify App Store. In the search results, look for the app called Printful Print on Demand. Click on it, then install the app, and follow all the installation prompts Shopify shows you. Once the app is installed, it will open up Printful's dashboard inside Shopify. If you already have a Printful account, log in. If not, you'll be guided to create one. Take a moment to complete that, because your shipping setup depends on this connection being active. After your Printful account is ready and linked, look toward the lower left-hand side of the Printful interface and click on Settings. Inside the Settings section, glance over to the left panel. Here, find and click on Shipping and Delivery. This is where Shopify organizes your shipping configurations. In this area, look for a card labeled App Shipping Profiles. On that card, you should now see Printful listed as one of the profiles. Click on Printful to expand it, and then click on the shipping profile that appears under Printful once it expands. This opens the profile that controls how shipping works for your Printful products. You'll now see several shipping zones that Printful ships to, such as different countries or regions. Some of these might not be part of your current Shopify markets. That's okay. If a country or region appears here but you're not selling there yet, you can simply leave it as is, or later add that region to your markets if you decide to expand. Under each shipping zone, you'll notice there are already flat rates set up by default. These are ready to use, but you can customize things further. To add another rate within a specific shipping zone, click Add Rate under that zone. A pop-up window will appear asking you to choose a rate type. You can choose a flat rate or a carrier or app calculated rate, depending on how you want to handle pricing. If you're setting up a custom rate, start by giving it a clear name so you'll recognize it later, like Standard Shipping or Express Upgrade. You can also add a delivery description, for example, an estimated number of business days to help customers understand what they're choosing. Next, set the price for this rate. If you want more control, you can add conditional pricing. Click Add Conditional Pricing and you'll see two options. You can base the condition on item weight, where you set a minimum and maximum weight range for that rate, or you can base it on order price, where you set a minimum and maximum order total that qualifies for that rate. Adjust these values to match your strategy, then click Done to confirm the condition. Repeat the same process for any other shipping zones you want to customize. Think through where your customers are located and how you want to charge them, then adjust each zone accordingly. When you've finished updating your rates and conditions, make sure you click Save at the top of the page near the search bar. This step is crucial. Your changes won't take effect unless you save them. Once that's done, your Shopify store and Printful are working together with a tailored shipping setup ready for your customers' orders.